EspressoRec is a very powerful toolkit for accountants. I'm just going to show you in this short video how easy it is to download. This is the EspressoRec website. We're going to download the trial edition. Simply enter your name here and your email address here and click download. You'll need admin rights to run this, so you might need to ask your IT department to grant you admin rights for a few minutes to install EspressoRec. Run the installation file, an Excel will open. And we'll open the workbook called EspressoRec Installer. Simply click this Install EspressoRec button and the installation will be complete. Control E is the shortcut that opens up the main EspressoRec program, as you are told here. And this is the list of all the EspressoRec shortcut keys available. This file is called the EspressoRec Hotkeys Keyboard Shortcuts.xls and is in the folder Documents /EspressoRec should you need it for future use. It is an idea to print it off when you first open EspressoRec.